Gagan Mohindra.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker. Can I firstly thank all the frontline staff, especially those in South West Hertfordshire. I welcome the PM's statement and the further guidance issued today. Across the country and in my constituency, people will welcome this roadmap and the light at the end of the tunnel. Can I pause to congratulate the Herculean effort across all government departments to deal with this unprecedented global pandemic? In my view, the continual evolution of national policies based on data is the correct method, and I look forward to easing of the lockdown restrictions as soon as it's safe to do so. I wanted to focus on what the new normal may look like. My party and this government had already committed to extensive investment in broadband, and this pandemic has shown firsthand how this should now be regarded as an essential utility. I look forward to working with ministerial colleagues to achieving this as soon as practical. The ability of our National Health Service to adapt to a totally different healthcare system using remote diagnosis could fundamentally change how our NHS works. This, for me, should be regarded as an opportunity and not a threat. The technological industrial revolution is using the pandemic as a catalyst for significant innovation, something we in this House should all engage in to seek the opportunities that global Britain offers. Mr. Deputy Speaker, as you may know, I regard myself as a globalist and an optimist. This pandemic has shown British ingenuity at its best. The world-class teams working to find the vaccine, the 2-week construction of the Nightingale hospitals, and the national effort made by businesses of whatever size for the greater national good. The community spirit across South West Hertfordshire has reinforced my belief we will get through this. Door-to-door delivering the Croxford Green and supermarket attendants going that little bit further to help vulnerable customers, to treeing where there are larger food bank donations, people are pulling together. At Tring School, 2 staff members, Miss Jones and Miss Corney, have donated their time and efforts to making 1,000 visors for Stoke Mandeville Hospital and 43 other organisations. My one desire is that the care shown for our neighbours and those in need continues into more normal times. As a Conservative, I always believed in the safety net, and many in this pandemic are having to rely on it. I will continue to be a critical friend as we progress through this pandemic, but I wanted to take this opportunity to acknowledge the excellent work done to date. May I ask my right honourable friend to discuss any plans she has to utilise the public's goodwill, time and generosity in the form of volunteer coordination? And could you join me in thanking those in my constituency and those around the country who have stepped up to help their fellow countrymen and women in these challenging times? Thank you.
Thank you very much, Gagan. Alex Cunningham.